guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the February Bellabox, so let's get into it. We seem to have the purple box this month. Very romantic for Valentine's Day, and got all the products. So the first one I can see here is a sunscreen. Of course, Bellabox love to give us sunscreens. It is Banana Boat Simply Protect Sensitive Face Sunscreen Lotion SPF 50. This is actually full size. It's $16.99 at Priceline. For that size, it's like 50 grams. It's pretty small for that price, to be honest. Scientifically proven to shield you and your family from the harsh Australian sun, made with naturally sourced zinc for sensitive skin, and provides SPF 50 plus UVA and UVB broad spectrum protection. Its light texture is easy to apply and designed for everyday use. So I'll give it a go, but you know, that's a really small sunscreen for $17, considering it's like the palm size little one. But yeah, hopefully it is, you know, worth that sort of price tag. Something I have received in the boxes before already. It is the Beam Body Espresso Lip Balm. This is full size, 15 mils, $9.95, exclusive to Bellabox. A delicious blend of coconut oil, papaya fruit will have your lips so hydrated and soft that they feel even better than the thought of an island getaway. I've already got one of these and I still haven't gotten around to using it yet. I guess I'm just a kind of Burt's Bees kind of girl, but yeah, coffee on my lips doesn't really, you know, sound appealing to me because, you know, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I will, you know, add it to my lip balm collection and see where I get to. So yeah, not super exciting. We've already received it. Next, we have something else we have already received before. This is the White Glow Charcoal Toothpaste. This is just a sample, but the full size 150 grams is $5.99 at Coles, Woolworths, Priceline, and Chemist Warehouse. With activated charcoal particles, it helps to cleanse your mouth and removes deep stains and discoloration. Safe to use daily with regular use. This enamel-safe fluoride toothpaste will reduce plaque, fight tooth decay, and deliver improved total oral health. So yeah, we have received this in the box before. It's toothpaste. I'll use it at some point, but it's just not exciting. You know what I mean? Like, why am I getting all the stuff I've received before? Something that is exciting is we all got a foundation. This is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Liquid Foundation. We did get to choose our shade. I chose 120. However, this isn't the lighter shade that they offer. They did offer 115, but it was just such a pinky color. Definitely, the tone of the foundation definitely wasn't for me. So I went for this one. However, I would usually use 110 or 100 or something like that, I think, because I've got the Dream Radiant cover. But anyway, this one is full size, $24.95 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Meet Maybelline's first lightweight protective foundation formulated to shield your skin from urban elements. Dream Urban Cover is a lightweight foundation with broad spectrum SPF 40 and a flawless natural finish. It's also enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. I will definitely give this a go. This is a great product to get in the box. It would have been lovely if we had a broader range of shades to choose from than the 5 that we had. It would have been nice to have chosen from, you know, all the shades. So yeah, this is definitely going to be too dark for me. But the other shade lighter than this, the tone was just so pink that it's easier to work with a yellow foundation than it is to work with a pink one. Let's just say that. And last but not certainly least, we have this big mask. It is the Brite Organix hair mask for blonde hair. It is full size, $10 at Priceline or briteorganics.com. A professional hair treatment to use at home, perfect for repairing hair. Each mask is packed full of bond-building ingredients to repair damaged hair and fight frizz and create healthy hair between chemical services like bleaching and colouring. You'll receive either coconut, blackcurrant, tropical pineapple, pink grapefruit, tea tree plus mint, mango, or coffee. This one is blackcurrant. I don't really colour my hair. It's like a natural, like darker blonde. I just don't dye my hair, so I just don't know if that is really going to, like, yeah, my hair's borderline brown, so we shall see. I don't know if it'll do anything for the blonde, but I'm sure it'll be nourishing. And then there's just like a $40 thing for Vino Mofo. I probably won't get to using that. And then a trusty old HelloFresh card as well. So looking at all the products we got in the box, I have to say I'm not super excited about it. The foundation is great. It's a lovely product to get in the box, and they definitely need to do more of this. I just wish they let us choose from the entire range of shades rather than a selected range, just because they were all medium skin tone shades. There was nothing super light or super dark, so that was disappointing. But I will, you know, lighten it up and make it work, you know. I'll give it a go. The sunscreen, I admit we haven't had this particular sunscreen in BellaBabes before. However, they always love to give us sunscreens. I don't know why, but they do. So I will get to it at some point, but yeah, I've got so many small sunscreen samples I'm still trying to work through, you know. The lip balm isn't too exciting just because I've already received it before, and coffee lip balm just does, I'm not a coffee drinker, so the taste of coffee on my mouth is probably not going to be very nice. The toothpaste, something else we've also received, and yeah, it's just toothpaste, like nothing exciting, and I've already had it before. And the mask is actually interesting. I'll definitely give it a go, but I don't know what the blondness is going to help with my hair, because my hair is not coloured blonde. So I'm sure it'll be nourishing. I'll give it a go at some point, but I don't see it being beneficial in terms of toning hair. So yeah, this box is not super overwhelmingly great this month. But yeah, it is what it is. It's just not an exciting box. Hopefully it will be better next month. But yeah, please, more stuff like this. That's great. Just not less stuff that we've already received before, you know? So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box, and what did you think about what you got, and what did you think about what I got. I'd love to have a convo in the comments and talk about our opinions. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.